In Boruto, currently, only Sasuke's oldest enemy can save his Rinnegan. Following the war against Ishiki in the Boruto manga, Sasuke can still save his Rinnegan, but it will require help from his most sinister of enemies. Warning, this video contains spoilers from chapter 55 Legacy of the Boruto Naruto's Next Generation manga. Following the victory against Ishiki Otsutsuki, Konoha is suffering some major blows in the Boruto manga. As the chapter 55, Naruto has lost Kurama after the Demon Fox used all of his chakra in Beiron mode and helped Naruto and his friends to live on. Sasuke has endured a devastating loss of his own. Boruto, possessed by Momoshiki at that time, has destroyed the Rinnegan Eye. However, there is hope for the Uchiha Ranger. Sasuke might be able to save Rinnegan with some help from his oldest and most sinister enemy, Orochimaru. When Sasuke was a teen, the Snake Ninja was obsessed with him. Orochimaru placed his cursed seal on the Sasuke and tried to use him as a vessel because he was the closest thing to be perfect shinobi specimen around. When Sasuke temporarily became his protege, he continued to experiment on his DNA. Given that he also helped nurse Sasuke back to life during the Kaguya War, Orochimaru may have data on his genetics, particularly his ocular jutsu abilities with the Sharingan and the Rinnegan Eye. The Rinnegan not only allows the user to traverse space and time, teleporting in and out secret dimension, but it also has a resurrection ability. If someone has it, it must be protected at all cost. While Katasuke and Konoha's science team might have done the groundwork on the eye, Orochimaru's most extensive studies on the Uchiha clan makes him the best suited to leading to repair and recovery mission. And Naruto is paying more attention to this science job should be it more greenlit. You don't want the former Sannin Orochimaru unsupervised with Sasuke and his DNA, but desperate times call for the desperate measures, especially as the threat of Kara still haven't been fully extinguished. Whether the council likes it or not, Sasuke knows Orochimaru is the best person for the job due to his experience, and it needs to happen sooner rather than later, as Sasuke has just returned to the village. To the top of it, Sarada can also be used to help grow the eye back, so Orochimaru has everything that he needs, which will paint a familiar picture of the lab he had in the older days. What makes this team up between former enemies such as enticing prospect is this is a chance not just to power Sasuke back up but to test Orochimaru. He will have access to the weapons he always wanted, and a lot could go wrong, but there is a chance this mission can complete his redemption, proving doubters wrong. What are your thoughts about Orochimaru, and do you think that he will help Sasuke to get his eye back, and what are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.